All right, welcome back to the B100 Being 100 mini course, where we will be talking about how to utilize accountability in order to be 100, in order to be the best that you can be and make those around you better. And accountability, according to the B100 system of success, means having the ability and the willingness to give an account of your actions. The relevant part of that definition, when we are talking about being 100, deals with having the willingness to give an account. And you are more likely to be willing to give an account when it's moral and legal. So we talk about moral. Moral is just engaging in the proper conduct. If you are engaged in the proper conduct, you don't have any qualms about giving an account of your actions because they fall under proper conduct. And keep in mind, what is moral is subjective and relative to certain people, industries, and whatnot. So you have to, the best you can, stay abreast of what are the moral codes, or what is the proper conduct in that particular setting or circumstance, because proper conduct may be subjective to the people that you are hanging with. It may, when I'm hanging with my friends, it may be proper to use vulgar language, but it's not proper when I am with my aunties or whatever. As well as proper conduct may be relative to the situation. For example, it may be improper conduct to be fighting in church, but it may be proper conduct to fight to save your life. We always want to, the best we can, engage in proper conduct. Likewise, we also want to always engage in what is legal, because if we are doing things according to the law, we don't have any qualms about giving an account of our actions. Now, I'll put an asterisk by that. So when we talk about legal, we are engaged in behavior that is in accordance with laws, rules, regulations, norms, procedures, so forth. Like I said, if we are engaged in things that are part of the laws, rules, regulations of the industry, the norms of the industry, or procedures at work, we don't have any qualms about giving an account. Now, on the other hand, if we are engaged in illegal activity or improper conduct, that willingness to give an account diminishes and even disappears. All right, so what is the residual of maintaining your willingness to give an account via engaging in morality and things that are legal? The residual impact that is beneficial to you is mind share. Scalable, sustainable, and succeedable, it's a word I made up, activities are taking up your mind share. You have the ability to just be constantly thinking about things that can grow, things that you can sustain, and things that you can pass on, as opposed to thinking about how are you going to cover this up, cover that up, how are you going to explain this, explain that, and now all of your creative mind share, all your creative ability is taken up trying to figure out how to get out of the moral or legal dilemma that could possibly come. So a quick recap: how do we utilize accountability to be the best person that we can be? Well, we want to maintain that willingness to give an account by engaging in what's moral and what is legal. And moral deals with proper conduct, and legal just deals with abiding by laws, rules, regulations, procedures, and things of that nature. Now, the main thing I want you to take away from this brief training is to maintain your willingness to give an account by always engaging in what is moral and legal. I want you to remember, be 100, give 100, and demand 100.